All right, so let's simplify these. I have a double sign here, a positive and a negative, that will become a minus. And I have a negative and a negative, that will become a plus. So the first, after you do that, rewrite the problem. So you're going to type it out as 3 minus 7 minus 1 plus 8. I'm going to circle my negatives. I have a negative 7 and a negative 1. When I put those together, 7 and 1 is 8, and they are negative. Then I will box my positives. 8 and 3 are 11, and they're positive. Now my signs are different, so I subtract. 11 minus 8 is 3, and I have more positives than negatives, so the answer to this one is positive 3. Question number 2. I only have one double sign here. It's minus a negative, that becomes a plus. We're going to rewrite it. Make sure you have all your steps. 15 plus 8 minus 45 plus 6. Now I'm going to circle my negatives, and I only have the 1, so it's negative 45. Now for my positives, I have a 15, I have an 8, and I have a 6. So I know 8 and 6 is 14. 14 and 15 is 29. So I have 29 positives. Now my signs are different, so I subtract, always with the larger number on top. Regroup. 15 minus 9 is 6. So I have 16. I have 45 negatives and only 29 positives. So this answer is negative. Check your work, change any mistakes you made, then do the next slide with practice problems 3 and 4.